In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add blog posts on Wix. If you're looking to share your thoughts, stories, or expertise with the world through a blog on your Wix website, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can easily add new blog posts whenever you're ready. First, let's navigate to the Wix website builder. It's a user-friendly platform that allows you to create a stunning website in just minutes. Once you're on the Wix homepage, look towards the top right corner of your screen for the Login button. Clicking this will prompt you to sign in to your Wix account. If you're not already a member, you'll need to create an account, but assuming you have one, the process is straightforward. After clicking Log In, you'll have a few options for signing in. For simplicity, let's choose the Continue with Google option. This integrates your Google account with your Wix profile, making subsequent logins quick and easy. With a few clicks, you should find yourself on the Wix dashboard where you can manage your site settings and focus on enhancing your blog presence. Once you're on your Wix dashboard, find the blog section. It's typically located in the left-hand sidebar. Click on blog to be taken to the blog management area where all the magic happens. Here, you have the tools to manage existing posts and create new content. To start a new post, look for the Create New Post button. Clicking this will open up the blog editor where you can structure your new entry. With the blog editor open, spot the area that says Add Title. Clicking here will allow you to type in the headline of your new blog post. Titles are important as they give your readers the first impression of your content. Make sure it's catchy and reflective of the material you're about to deliver. Underneath the title section, you'll see a large open space for your blog content. You'll want to click on Start Writing and begin crafting your post. This is the space for your creativity to flow, whether you're narrating a personal story, sharing an opinion, or providing valuable information to your audience. Finally, once you are satisfied with the content, it's time to publish your post. Locate the Publish button within the blog editor. Clicking this will make your post live on your website for the world to see. It's always a good idea to review the post before publishing, ensuring there are no errors or omissions that could detract from your message. And there you have it. Your blog post is now up and running on your Wix site. Adding posts on Wix is a simple process, and with these steps, you'll quickly master it. I hope you found this guide helpful, and I encourage you to keep exploring and creating engaging content for your audience. Thanks for watching!